Welcome everyone to my channel again. In today's video I'll be talking about 17 ideas for making your first $100 online. Now, more and more people are earning money on the internet every single day. Although it may not be as easy as some scamming websites make it seem, it's very possible with some work. Yes, I'm afraid that you do not need to do some work. I'm afraid you do need to do some work, but the more you do, the more it will pay off. Eventually, you may even find that you earn money while you sleep. So without further ado, here are 17 ideas for making money online. Number 1, write articles. Content makes the internet go round. Think about all the websites you visit on a daily basis. The chances are you read some information on them, right? Well, somebody needs to write that information. Now, don't expect to approach a huge blog and become a star writer overnight, just as you would with a real-life magazines. You need to build up your experience and credentials before you'll be able to write for big websites. Instead, think about becoming a ghostwriter. What this means is that website owners will hire you to write for their sites, and you won't get a byline on their own content. This might seem bad, but it's the biggest market for writers just starting out. Have a look at the sites like Odex and Freelancer to find jobs. You can actually visit Fiverr to actually write articles for them. So number 1 on my list is write articles. Articles for blog, write articles for website, write articles for magazines and so many others. Number 2, fill in surveys. Although it won't earn you mega bucks, but you can make a nice dice income filling in surveys for various companies online. Surveys range in complexity and sometimes terms are required, and payouts will also vary between survey providers. Whatever you do, make sure you read reviews of any website promising to pay you for surveys. Usually, a detailed Google search will let you know if the website really is legitimate or not. So number 2 on my list is filling surveys, and it's very important to actually check those sites on Google to actually see if you can actually earn money through surveys. Surveys are very important, and so on. Number 3 on my list is become an affiliate marketer. Now this is what is reigning today in our world online. Do you know that there are millions of affiliate marketers out there making commissions by sending people to buy items through their referral links? Pretty much any big store you can think of, Amazon, Walmart, Toys, RUS, etc. has an affiliate program. So if you have an interest in a particular niche like gardening, keeping, why not start a blog about your hobby? People will love the free information, and you can make money from the website by referring your favorite products. This is not a super quick way to make money, but it can be well worth it over the long time. Now, the secret behind affiliate marketing is based on the fact that you actually make money through other people's content. That simply means, let's say I'm selling an ebook course for 10,000, or I'm selling a course for 10,000 naira, and I'm offering an affiliate 50% commission. That simply means the person will be making 5,000 naira, and I will also be making 5,000 naira. But what people don't understand is that if 10 people, or let's say 5 people, actually market that product, and each sold one of the product, how much will they be making? Each will be making 10,000 naira, and since there are 5, they will be making, it will all be what, 50,000. But each person earns 10,000. But how much do I earn? I earn 50,000 at the stretch. That is the logic behind affiliate marketing. While each of them are going home with 10,000, I'm going home with 50,000, because 5 people sold the product, which is worth 100,000, and then I'm able to make that amount of money. Well, let's say I'm selling the product for 10,000 and they are making 5,000 each. That means 5 times 5 is 25,000. That means I'll be going home with 25,000. I'll be going home with 25,000. But each person will be going home with 5,000. That's just simply what I'm trying to say. Number 4, self-publish a book. Short ebooks have made their author millions, and that could be you if you come up with the right idea and make sure to market it. Amazon Kindle makes it easier than ever before to self-publish a book, whether it's erotic fiction or a how-to guide for vegetable gardeners. It's a great way to monetize a hobby you know something about, and there are plenty of free online guides to tell you how to get it for sale on the Amazon Kindle store. And if you actually want to publish a book on Kindle Amazon, do make sure you contact me below, because I do help people publish their book on Amazon and show them how to actually link their bank account to Amazon using a platform which can actually accept Naira to USD. Number 5, become a virtual assistant. The internet now makes it possible for people to work remotely. This includes personal assistants. No longer do people need to hire people to come into a physical office. They can hire assistants online to take care of things for them from the other side of the world. If you are an organized person, then why not become someone's virtual assistant? You get to choose the hourly rates, and you can market your assistant service on websites like Audiobook.com. This can become a well-paid full-time job, and becoming a virtual assistant is very important. So in my next video, I'll be talking about how to actually make money online. Remember, I told you it's 17 ideas of making money online, and in this video I've given you 5 ideas, and in my next video I'll be bringing the rest of the ideas for you. I'd actually want this video to be long so that you get to enjoy it and get to watch it again. Now do make sure you subscribe to my channel, do make sure you comment on the video below, like this video and share this video. Thank you for watching. In this channel I talk about importation, I talk about blogging, I talk about everything in between, making money online and so on. Thank you.